If you're using Cash App, you might have noticed that there are limits on how much you can send, receive, and withdraw. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change those limits to fit your needs. Let's get started. First things first, open your Cash App. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the account settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Personal. This is where you can manage your account details. Here you'll see your account information, including your limits. To increase your limits, you'll need to verify your identity. Tap on Verify to start this process. You'll be prompted to enter some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This helps Cash App verify your identity and increase your limits. After entering your details, Cash App will review your information. This usually takes just a few moments. Once your identity is verified, your sending and receiving limits will be increased. Keep in mind that there are different limits for various actions on Cash App. For example, the standard limits might be $250 per week for sending and $1,000 per month for receiving, but these can vary based on your account status and verification. And that's it. Changing your Cash App limits is a straightforward process once you have verified your identity. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.